Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Browser. In this video guys, I'm gonna be walking you through the entire process of how to add auto captions on your videos in the Capcut application or app. This is a really easy process, and it's a really short video. So let's dive right into the video. What you need to do right now is just open Capcut app and then tab on new project right here. I'll choose the first one.
Hello guys.
And add. Alright, and right here, as you can see here, when I tab on the video, you can see here we have many different options, but what you need to do is to tab on text. Okay, just don't tab deselect the video, just tab anywhere else, and tab on text. And now what you need to do is to tab on auto captions right here, and you need to choose the right option for yourself. You can choose original sound. That's the original sound directed from the video. I didn't create any voiceover, so I will choose original sound. So continue with the original sound, and now just wait a couple of seconds or minutes, depends on how long your video is. Okay, my video is only 10 seconds, so as you can see, hello guys, thank you. Here we have the auto captions added automatically. It's really good actually. You see exactly what I said in the video is here in this is in the caption. So sorry guys, so that's the video guys. I hope this video helped you. I hope this video provided you with a solution for a problem. So if it did, please give me a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you guys in the next one. Take care.